Hi, it's accessory time again. I've bought a new seat for my Street Bob 114, which was kind of a necessity because on longer drives, well, it just wasn't comfortable enough as well for me as for my wife. If you're familiar with the passenger seat on the Street Bob, well, it's like a brick with some plastic and some really thin layer of foam. So it's really not adequate at all. So here it is. It's my Street Bob from 2021 with the original seat. And as I just mentioned before, this is really rock hard. I mean, it's okay for like 10 minutes, 15 minute stops, but anything longer than that and it just becomes a real pain. Now, the driver's seat isn't too bad. It's mostly okay. So over to the new Saddlemen seat. It's the Explorer LS. I went for this because, well, mainly we're driving with two. So I always have my wife on the back and, well, she needs some serious comfort as well. So let's get this thing on this thing and I'll get back to you in a moment. So all we gotta do is remove these two bolts, this one here, and there's one on the back as well. They should be like hand tightened, and they are. And then this one the same. Just watch out because there are any washers or whatever that could fall underneath your motorcycle. Okay, let's get them off. All right, we're back. The saddle's on. It went really easy. And let's get ready for the big reveal. Ta-da! The Saddlemen Explorer LS on the Street Bob 114. That looks really nice. It's a big seat, but, well, you know what you're getting. I like the bucket seat. I like the fact that it really kind of almost now closes the gap between the seat and the gas tank, and it's beautiful. That was it, short review on how to put this one on, and I'll get back to you in a couple of days and see how it feels and if it's a real improvement over the stock seat. Thanks for watching and see you guys really soon. Thanks. This is how it looks with the sissy bar and the Onyx day bag. That was a really tight fit, but I think it's mostly okay, although it touches a little bit to the sides here, but we'll see how it works out.